Good morning. It's a little after 11:30 on Saturday morning. We wanted to give you a quick weather update. Our higher rain totals since midnight: Bertram 14.44, Burnett 11.72, Marble Falls 14 miles east-southeast of downtown 8.42, and then in Travis County, Cow Creek near Lago Vista 6.18. Over the past 2 days, we've had more than 16 inches at Bertram, more than 12 inches at Burnett, and that Cow Creek gauge has picked up 12 inches as well. All right, flash flood warnings, I think they're about to issue another one based on the fact that we're either flashing, they're either going to cancel this or issue another one, but it is flashing. We have one for Burnett, northwestern Travis and Williamson counties, and one for Travis County until 2. We then also have flash flood warnings until noon for Caldwell County and 1 o'clock for that part of Hayes County from Driftwood down to Wimberley. What are they issuing, Freddie?
The new flash flood warning that was highlighting that till 2 p.m. now.
Okay, so let's go back to this. This warning now in effect until, there it is on the update, it's in effect until 2 o'clock this afternoon. Here's what's going on the radar. We see a few showers and thunder showers across still the eastern part of Burnett County that extends on over to a few heavier downpours in northwestern and western Travis County, and then continuing into Austin, traveling to the south. We had some heavy rain in Pflugerville. That rain has decreased in intensity, but we do have a few heavy downpours in the Austin area that continue to sag towards the south. And then we're also looking at some heavy rain across part of Williamson County that is south of Highway 79 between Hutto on over to around Taylor, and this is also traveling to the southeast. In addition to that, we go down into Caldwell County, and we haven't had much going on there all morning long outside of a brief heavy downpour in the Lockhart area, and that occurred at about 10:30 today. We have some moderate to heavy rain outside of the warned area in Hayes County between Dripping Springs and Wood Creek, and then in that warned area we're just seeing light to occasionally moderate rain, and then we're also seeing some moderate to heavy downpours, but no warning out for this in parts of Bastrop and on into Fayette County. We have some moderate rain falling both north in and south of LaGrange on 77, and some moderate rain falling in Lee County in Giddings. We have a flood advisory in effect for much of the morning into the early afternoon for Bastrop, Caldwell, and Hayes counties. So, and a flash flood warning. Again, we want you to stay away from any waterway today because of all of the rain that has fallen, especially out to the west in parts of Burnett, Williamson, and Travis counties. We also want to alert those of you in the Georgetown area that the South Fork of the San Gabriel River at Georgetown is under a river flood warning until tomorrow afternoon for a major flood event. It will crest later on today. The forecast is for it to crest at 29.7 feet and then fall below flood stage after midnight. So that's what's going on there. The river flood warning for the Llano River at Llano, that was canceled at about 8:30 today. The river flood warning for the San Saba River at San Saba continues until further notice because there is still a flood going on there. The update from the lakes. Lake Travis elevation has now gone over 650. It is up more than 1.25 feet in just the last hour and a half, 650.08. The lake is now 57% full. Buchanan has not had that great of a rise, but it shall over the next several hours because of all the rain that is falling from San Saba into Buchanan. Right now, the level at Buchanan is 1003.84. The current inflow from the Colorado near San Saba. Now, again, the water from the San Saba River at San Saba flows into the Colorado River near San Saba, and that all funnels downstream to Buchanan. That current flow, 86,166 cubic feet per second. The floods inflow from the Llano River at Llano is now down to 8,952. Yesterday afternoon, 121,000 plus cubic feet per second. The gauge of the Pedernales River near Johnson City is 2,232, and the gauge of the Sandy Creek near 71 in Kingsland is down to 1441. But again, Travis up to 650.08. It will continue to rise for a little while longer, and so that at least is the good news from the Highland Lake. So that's what's going on here at 11:36 on a Saturday morning. We'll update you again in just a few hours.